this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your location on the Grubhub app if you are a driver. So what we want to do is just load up our browser on the phone or on a PC, it doesn't matter. And we just gotta search for Grubhub support. Now click on the first link here that says contact us, and you will be able to see a bunch of different emails and contact methods here. So if you're from the press, if you have government relations, but what we want to do actually is focus on this one at the bottom. So customer care for help with an order, please email help_me@grubhub.com. So what we have to do is just copy this email address and use your own email to write them an email to explain that you have moved regions or locations and that you would like to update your location on the Grubhub driver app. So say that you have moved to a different house or just a different city, and then they can further assist you with changing your location/region on Grubhub. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.